Students, now we'll go for the question number 8. The given question is AB is the line segment, P lies on AB. P lies on AB. Then AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. The condition is given clearly. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. 3 by 7 into AB. Find the coordinates of P. We have to find x, y values. Okay? Yeah. In this, we know x1, y1 and x2, y2. And P lies on AB, then ratio we don't know. Mn value. Okay, we have to find first Mn value, then we can find the coordinates of P. Using the condition, we have to find Mn values. The ratio of AP by PB. Then we will get it. Okay, write it. What is the, according to this condition, we know AB is equal to AP plus PB. AB is equal to AP plus PB. That is given condition clearly. It's a given. Okay. Now condition apply. AP is equal to what is 3 by 7 AB. Right here. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Cross multiply. 7 AP is equal to 3 into AB. What is AB value again here? We know AP plus PB. AP plus PB. Multiply 3AP plus 3PB. This 3AP transpose left side, 7AP minus 3AP is equal to 3PB. Clear? 7AP minus 3AP. 7AP minus 3AP. What is answer? It is 4AP is equal to 3PB. Now, this PB transpose and for this side. Clear? Then AP by PB. AP by PB is equal to 3 by 4. Then AP is to PB is equal to what is the answer? 3 is to 4. We know now M is 3 and N is 4. Now use the section formula. Here, what is the section formula? X comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Second term, second coordinate, that is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Clear? Okay. Applying this mx2, what is m value here? 3. 3 into x2 value is 2. 3 into 2 plus n value is 4 into x1 is minus 2 divided by, that is 3 plus 4. First one, that is. Now second coordinate, m by 2. M is 3 again. Y2 is minus 4 plus n y1. N y1. N is 4 and y1 is minus 2 again by 3 plus 4. Multiply now. 3 2s are 6 and 4 into minus 2. It's a minus 8 divided by 3 plus 4, 7, comma 3 into minus 4. What is the answer? 3 into minus 4, it is a minus 12 and 4 into minus 2, it's a minus 8 divided by 7. Clear? Now 6 minus 8, that is minus 2 by 7 and minus 12 and minus 8, it's a minus 20 by 7. Now what are the coordinates? What is asking question? Find the coordinates of P. Therefore the coordinates of P is, what is the point? Minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. This is the answer. Now we will go for the question number 9. Here AB is a line segment. The line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. The coordinates we have to find 4. That is AB is given. We are assuming P is 1 point and Q is 1 point, R is 1 point. This PQR is dividing into the AB line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. How many equal parts are there here? AP, the first part, second part, third part and fourth. Totally the line segment divided into 4 equal parts. Now, according to the situation, Q is the midpoint of which one? The line segment AB. Q is the midpoint of line segment AB. First we have to find Q values. Clear? Then again P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. And next third one, R is the midpoint of QB. Finally what we have to use in this? Midpoint formula. We have to use the midpoint formula. Yes, first we have to find Q coordinates. Clear? We know midpoint formula x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. For all things same formula we have to use. Clear? Now what is here? Q values we have to find. Q is the midpoint of AB. First one we have to find Q coordinates. Here this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Same formula apply here. First one minus 2 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 0. 0 by 2? 0. Clear? 2 plus 8, 10. 10 by 2. Cancel. It is 5. 0 comma 5. What is this one? Q coordinates. 0 comma 5 is the Q coordinates. Yes, this value is 0 comma 5. Then now observe children here. P is the midpoint of again AQ. We have to find P value now. P is the MP. MP means midpoint of what is here? AQ. Because Q value you know, then again A value is given already. This you can take as x2 y2. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Yes, apply this. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 5 by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 0. It's a minus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 5. 7 by 2. Cancel once. Then finally what is the answer? Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. What are the coordinates of this one? P coordinates. P is what is here? Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Now observe here. R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of QB. Q value we know and B also we know. Yes? Apply here. Then again when you are using midpoint formula, this you can take as x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Applying this, what is R is the midpoint of what is QB. Same formula again here. x1 y1 here x2 y2. 0 plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2. 0 plus 2 that is 2 by 2 comma next 5 plus 8 13 by 2. 2 by 2 cancel again here. Then finally 1 comma 13 by 2. What are the coordinates? This one are coordinates. Then I think completed. P completed, Q completed and R completed. Therefore, the coordinates of P, what is P value here? -1 comma 7 by 2, and Q value is 0 comma 5. Then again R value is 1 comma 13 by 2. That is the answer.